In an order signed on Monday, one of the magistrate judges, Judge Bruce Reinhardt, overseeing the documents prosecution of Donald Trump, ruled that Mr. Trump cannot be trusted to be left alone with the documents, and he's only allowed to view any evidence in the case against him if his lawyers are present and in the room with him. Furthermore, Judge Reinhardt says that Donald Trump is also not allowed to take any notes with him, so he can't go in there, look at the evidence, write stuff down, and take it away. Anything he creates while viewing the evidence has to stay with the evidence. Now, this is obviously a very big deal because it sets the tone for this entire prosecution. Now, it's unclear to me why the magistrate Judge Reinhardt issued this ruling and not Judge Cannon. So that to me is a little weird, but I'm glad because I don't think Cannon would have done this, obviously being a very obvious Trump loyalist. So it's good that we get this order in place by a different judge. Hopefully Cannon doesn't touch it going down the road. But this sets the tone for the case. I mean, the jury, the eventual jury, is going to know that this order was there. They will be told this. They will be told that the government and the judges, of course, who made this ruling, they didn't trust Trump enough to be allowed to have the evidence. That's how dangerous this guy is. That's how much of a loose cannon he is. And get this, according to the ruling, it's not just because Donald Trump can't be trusted with state secrets. We already know that much. It's because there's names of individuals involved in the investigation in this material. Those are the people that the courts and the DOJ are trying to protect because they do not trust Donald Trump to go out there and start attacking FBI agents. They don't trust him to not start attacking other potential witnesses. And again, that's all information that is going to be in the discovery documents that Donald Trump is allowed to view under the supervision of his lawyers. But Trump's going to learn things and it's going to piss him off. But now that this protective order is in place, it opens Donald Trump up to the possibility of getting hit with contempt charges if, of course, he does violate them. And I think it's almost more of a when he violates them than an if he violates them, because as we all know from Donald Trump, the one thing that guy refuses to ever do is shut up. And this is one instance where basically the court is telling him, you are legally required to shut the hell up. So, will he do it? Can he do it? Is he physically capable of not going out there and spilling the beans so that witnesses get intimidated or that FBI agents get intimidated by his crazy followers? I don't think he is. I think he will absolutely do everything he can to try to memorize these people's names, then go and get on Truth Social. Maybe I'm wrong. We'll have to wait and see, obviously, what does happen. But this is a great ruling. Not just because it protects the witnesses and the other individuals involved, but because, as I said, it sets the tone for the trial. This is the first thing that potential jurors are going to learn about. They're going to know that Donald Trump could not be trusted. And let's not forget that the entire prosecution is about Donald Trump not being able to be trusted with these documents. You know, that's part of the Espionage Act charges, is that he allegedly showed them to other people. So when the court's first decision is you're not allowed to show this stuff to other people, yeah, probably going to set the mood for that jury where they're going to understand that the court already determined that Trump can't be trusted. So not saying it's going to sway the jury, but they're probably going to look at that and that's going to be weighing on their minds throughout the entire criminal trial. Hey everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel? We also encourage you to like, comment, and share. But again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.